Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. You're going to perform a workshop about statistics, graphics, and numerical measurements, as in mean, median, and mode for table of frequencies. So this is the only point. You're only going to do one point. You're going to find the table of frequency, the graphic, and the mean, median, and mode for the following dataset. The weights in kilograms of a group of 10 people are taken at random and the following data are obtained. 70, no, 72, 50, 66, 56, 58, 60, 80, 70, 64, 65, and 53. So this is what you're going to do. Remember that the table of frequency and the graphic and the mean, the median, and the mode depending on these variables. If this is discrete or if this is continuous, okay? You already know that this is quantitative, so this is what you're going to do. You need to choose if you're going to work with continuous variable or if you're going to work with discrete variable, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Good luck. Don't remember to follow me at my social media. I am at @JuliaProfe, Maleola Cucarachona Eones. Okay, bye-bye.